Hey guys, I'm Dipankar back with another video, and today I'm gonna talk about Xiaomi Redmi Y2. Even if this is a selfie phone, there is no compromise in terms of performance. Redmi Y2 starts at Rs999 and will be available from Amazon.in and me.com. The first thing you will notice in this phone is the same design that we saw in the Redmi Note 5 Pro. The phone features metal unibody design. Above the display, it has front camera and front camera flash. It uses on-screen navigation as it lacks any capacitive keys. Still, there is enough space below the display. You can also switch from on-screen navigation to gestures. At the right side, it has volume rocker and power button. At the left, it has SIM card slot where you get 2 SIM card slots and 1 dedicated micro SD card slot. At the top, it has headphone jack and infrared sensor. At the base side, it has a speaker and micro USB port. Backside has vertical dual camera setup on the top left corner and fingerprint sensor is also on the back. There is also a slight budge around the edges to keep display safe, but the display lacks any protection. The phone features 5.99 inches HD Plus display with 18:9 aspect ratio. Here you could miss the full HD display, but SD display helps in offering better battery life. The phone runs on MIUI 9.5 based on Android Oreo. The company has already announced MIUI 10 that will be coming over next few days. Xiaomi's love for Snapdragon 625 continues as the phone is powered by 2 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 625 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. At this price, this setup is good enough to offer nice performance and improved battery life. The phone comes in 3GB RAM with 32GB of storage and 4GB RAM with 64GB of storage options. You can also expand the storage up to 256GB with dedicated microSD card slot. The phone features a dual camera setup where it has 12 megapixels primary sensor and 5 megapixels secondary sensor. At the front, it has 16 megapixels front camera with HDR and front flash. Both front and rear camera supports portrait shots with bokeh effect. Camera app offers several modes and effects. I tested the camera and the end result was impressive. Both front and rear camera perform well. Here are the few shots that I captured using the front and rear camera of Redmi Y2. The phone features face unlock that works good. It also has fingerprint sensor and infrared sensor both. Connectivity options of the phone include 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS and micro USB. The phone packs 3000 mAh battery. The phone looks good in terms of specifications. Redmi Note 5 also comes for the same price, but there are few differences. Redmi Note 5 comes with full HD display with Gorilla Glass protection and 4000 mAh battery. On the other hand, Redmi Y2 comes with 16 megapixels front camera and dual rear camera. The primary focus on Redmi Y2 was the camera. I will try to buy this phone for the review in the first sale, so do not forget to subscribe my channel if you want to know about Redmi Y2 in detail. That's it for this video. If you still have anything to ask, you can always leave it in the comment. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.